How to add a poll on Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add a poll on Instagram Reels. To start this tutorial, make sure you open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you're here, create a new reel. It could be whatever you want. In here as an example, I'm kind of shy, so I'll just give you a great background. Now make sure you are satisfied with the video that you already made. Could be longer or whatever. In here, you're gonna swipe up, and then you're gonna see a poll option. Now ask a question. Example is, what is your favorite breed of dogs? Or what's your favorite lunch? Could be anything. In here, in the two options, you can give them options as well. Like yes, no. In this question, in my question, it says ocean or mountains. So it could be that. And then just click on share. Now wait for Instagram to finish posting your new reel. Now once people can see it, they can now vote directly in your reels. Let us know in the comment section, what do you like most? Mountains or oceans? Now just wait for Instagram to finish posting your reels. And as you see in my timeline, it's already here. And then I can vote. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and might as well subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.